So tonight I'm going to be making a really simple cocktail or drink. I don't even really know if it's a cocktail or not. I'm just making a simple gin and tonic, but I am going to add a little twist to it. I love gin, so I make gin and tonics and gin-based cocktails a lot. Tonight I'm going to be using this fun Madonna Inn glass because I have it, so why not? I'm going to be using this Prairie Organic Gin because I still have some, and it's pretty flavorful, so it's really good for a simple cocktail like a gin and tonic, and tonic water. And then I'm actually going to add a little bit of Saint Germain, which is an elderflower liqueur. It's really sweet and delicious, and it adds a fun little flavor profile to just a regular gin and tonic. And I had it, so why not? First, I'm going to start with some ice. So basically, I'm going to fill my glass with ice. Now, my whole philosophy with drinks like the gin and tonic are I don't really measure anything. I just kind of guesstimate everything because why bother? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm filling my glass with ice. And then I'm going to take my gin, and it's probably going to come out to around an ounce or a shot, or around like 2 fingers if you're measuring that way. But I'm just kind of going to pour it in till it looks like enough gin. And then I'm going to take my tonic and just top the whole thing to the top of the glass. And then I'm going to take my Saint Germain. You can really use any like fun flavored liqueur or simple syrup that you like just to add, you know, a little something different. Feel free. I just have some Saint Germain, so why not? And I'm just going to pour a little bit in. Probably around like 1/4 of an ounce. It's really not that much. I just kind of want it there for fun. And then I'm going to stir it. Really handy stir tool called a chopstick. Stir that all around. Do a quick taste test to see if I like the proportions. Perfect. And then again, it's not a cocktail without a garnish, so of course I have to add a garnish. I had some limes, so I cut a little lime wheel, plop that on the top, and boom, here you go. A very simple gin and tonic with some elderflower liqueur.